guys, welcome back again to the video. And I think it's actually awkward yung parang gumanon ako. Welcome back again to the show. It's your boy Dan. Parang ganun, mas maganda ba? We gonna react to the new teaser. Okay, silhouette teaser ng 50-50. It's kind of short, sabihin nyo 55 seconds lang, but we can still may pag-uusapan pa tayo dito. Of course, I'm gonna break it down. What's gonna be here. I think it's a new, kind of crazy to think that may silhouette sila, new teaser. So, we gonna react, and let's go.
꼭꼭 숨어라 머리카락 보인다 꼭꼭 숨어라 머리카락 보인다 꼭꼭 숨어라 머리카락 보인다.
Oh, this is the new members?
우와 유정 우와
Holy fuck! Are these the new members? What's going on? Wait, we can give you chills. Okay, guys, wow. Okay, I didn't expect that they're gonna have new members already. Holy fuck! I mean, who's the new members? Hindi ko alam. I don't know if you baka yung iba may alam na who's the new members, but I didn't know who is it because di ako updated. So they play hide and seek. Who's this girl? I don't know guys kung makita nyo, but if you can see here, ito ibaba ko yung camera, yan. I don't know who is she. I don't know who is she though. New members, okay. Let's get new members for the 50-50. Okay. So she's playing hide and seek. Sena's playing hide and seek. I mean, Kiana ba? With the new members. Wow. Yeah. I feel happy and sad at the same time. Who's gonna be? Who's the other three? I'm very excited. I really like how they made this kind of stuff. Like, umalis yung tatlong members. Gumawa sila ng trailer na sino who's gonna be. That's fucking awesome that they did this. Oh man, they hug. The moment that they hug actually is quite touching. Ready or not? Here I go. Okay. Oh, ito na. I think this is actually cute. Dito, mas maganda to kasi mostly, kasi Wait, what? There's 4 of them? 4? Akala ko they will only replace 3. Oh my god. They got adding 1, so 50-50 is gonna be 5 members. Oh wow. Oh wow. Alright. If you don't see it, guys, I'm very shocked they're gonna add something 1 here. You can see here. You can see here. You can see there. They are 5-member groups. So how would siya magagot ako kung sino yun. Okay, I don't know who's gonna be. Kasi alam ko lang I think it's not gonna be Mashiro or Yesio. Kasi they're not like, I think it's a light sum sila. So I'm shocked who's gonna be who's gonna be the replaced member. And excuse me, sorry guys. And I'm very happy and sad at the same time because of course I've stands 50-50 and it's kind of sad, to my bias, of course. Aran. May CEO si Aran. Okay. Bias ko si Aran. And it's kind of sad that their journey end, you know. But I'm very happy. At the same, sad and happy at the same time. Sad kasi i-replace sila, but still happy because 50-50 is still gonna continue. Despite what despite the issue thing happened, I really thought that 50-50 is done, but it's not. It's very glad Kiana still continue her journey, even though her former members, their journey ended. And it's kind of sad kasi papakita sila. I don't know if they're gonna fill the shoes of the OG. You know, if they're gonna sing of course, they're gonna sing the Cupid or Higher or Tell Me. It's kind of different, okay? Maninibago tayo lahat na lahat tayo if they're gonna sing that, but we're gonna see what is gonna be the outcome. If it's good, then they're good. But guys, please don't bash. Huwag niyo i-bash naman sa the new 50-50. I would say support them. Please support them. Kasi kung saan na sila yung sisikat na, doon pa yung like nagkaroon ng mga problema. So I don't want like that anymore sa 50-50. So I'm praying that their journey is gonna be great, and it's gonna be amazing. So guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'm your host, and see you in the next video. Bye.